Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a hairstyling tool that's been buzzing, the Drybar All-Inclusive Air's Active Heat 8-in-1 Multi-Styler. This gadget promises fast-drying, long-lasting curls, blowouts, and sleek styles, all with 4 versatile attachments you can use on wet or dry hair. It's designed for all hair types, features ceramic material for heat protection, and comes in that signature Drybar yellow. Very chic. Now, breaking down the essentials. It's an 8-in-1 multi-styler because it offers 4 different attachments, each with dual-use modes. You can style using both air and heat simultaneously, or heat only, depending on what your hair needs. That flexibility is aimed to deliver everything from smooth blowouts to bouncy curls quickly and efficiently. Using it was pretty straightforward. I appreciated how easy it was to switch between attachments, no complicated clicks or fiddly parts. Starting with wet hair, the Air Plus Active Heat mode does a solid job speeding up drying time without blasting your strands with damaging heat. The ceramic technology really helps distribute the heat evenly, reducing hot spots and leaving hair smoother and shinier after styling. For curls, the curling attachment gave me nice defined waves that held well throughout the day, even without heavy styling products. The sleek attachment made blowouts look salon quality with minimal effort, a nice win when you're short on time but want that polished finish. Plus, using it on dry hair to refresh styles midweek worked like a charm, so it's versatile for different styling routines. On the usability front, the tool feels sturdy but not heavy, which is a plus for longer styling sessions. The cord length is generous, and the heat settings give you some control, though I wish there was a little more precision beyond just air plus heat, or heat only. Also, for those with very thick or coarse hair, drying times can stretch a bit, but that's typical for tools in this category. Let's talk pros. The multifunctionality here is definitely a highlight. 4 attachments in one tool is a serious space saver. The ceramic technology protects hair while styling, and the dual wet-dry usage is convenient for fast-paced mornings. I also like the design. That bright yellow color is iconic and adds a fun pop to your vanity. On the flip side, the price point is on the higher side, so you're paying for brand prestige and that all-in-one convenience. The heat settings, while adequate, could be a bit more customizable for users who want finer control over temperature. And while the tool performs well, it's not a miracle worker for super thick or very curly hair types that might need specialized devices. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Compared to other multi-stylers on the market, Drybar's Air Plus Active Heat stands out for its premium build and effective ceramic tech. But there are cheaper alternatives that offer similar multifunctionality. Brands like Revlon or Conair have multi-styling tools at a lower price point, though they might not match Drybar's polish or heat distribution as well. So it depends on how much you value that premium feel and durability. The packaging is sleek and the attachments snap on securely, giving a solid impression of quality. I can see this lasting a long time with regular use, which adds to the overall value. Drybar also has a decent reputation for customer support, though I didn't need to reach out personally. If you're someone who loves switching up your hair looks often and appreciates the convenience of one tool that can do it all, from quick drying to sculpted curls, this multi-styler delivers a lot without complicating your routine. It's especially good for medium to fine hair types looking for salon results at home. But if you're on a budget, or need very high heat and more precise control, you might want to explore other options. To sum it up, the Drybar All-Inclusive Air's Active Heat 8-in-1 Multi-Styler is a well-designed, versatile tool that balances performance and protection. It lives up to its promise of styling flexibility and speed with that signature ceramic heat technology. It's not flawless, but it's a strong contender for anyone wanting a stylish, functional multi-tool. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to grab this tool in the description or comments below. If you've tried it already, drop a comment and share your thoughts. I love hearing your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.